Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we'll solve a very important question, that is the straight line y equal to 2x minus 2 intersects the curve x square minus y equal to 5 at the points A and B. Given that A lies below the x-axis and the point P lies on AB, such that AP is to PB equal to 3:1. Find the coordinates of P. Now we need to solve it. This is from additional mathematics. Now how can you solve it? Here two equation has been given, y equal to 2x minus 2 and x square minus y equal to 5. Since this straight line intersects this curve, so we can easily find out the value of x and y by substitution method. So here y equal to 2x minus 2. If we substitute the value of y, that is y equal to 2x minus 2 in this equation, then what will happen? We can write instead of y 2x minus 2. So x square minus 2x minus 2 equal to 5. Now we need to solve it. So here x square minus 2x minus into minus plus 2 equal to 5. Or we can write x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Now, by using the middle term method, we can easily break down the middle one. So x square minus 3x plus x minus 3 equal to 0. Then if I take x as a common factor, we will get x minus 3 plus, if I take 1 as a common factor, it will be x minus 3 equal to 0. Then we can say x minus 3 into x plus 1 equal to 0, or therefore x minus 3 equal to 0 or x plus 1 equal to 0. Then we can write x equal to 3, or we can write x equal to -1. So here we'll get two values for x equal to 3 and x equal to -1. So if I write x equal to 3, then we can find out the value of y from this equation. So y will be 2 multiplied by 3 minus 2. So 6 minus 2 will be 4. If I take x equal to -1, then y will be 2 multiplied by -1 minus 2. So minus 2 minus 2 will be minus 4. So here we'll get two solutions, and that is actually point A and point B. Here we'll put these values in graph paper. So here we'll get 2 points. The points number 1 is 3, 4 and point number 2 is -1, -4. Let's put these values in graph paper. So what will you get? So here in this graph paper we can see that this is 3, 4 point and this is -1, -4 point. Here the very important one, given that A lies below the x-axis. A lies below the x-axis. This is A, and then it will be B. How can we find it out? We got it from the statement. A lies below the x-axis. So it must be A, and then it will be B. So the point A is -1, -4, and the point B is 3, 4. And right now, and the point P lies on AB such that AP is to PB equal to 3:1. Right now, by internal section formula, we can say that suppose this one is AB, this point, and this point is suppose CD. Then if this is a point, that means if we divide this line by m is to n ratio, then by using the internal section formula, we can say that the coordinate of point P will be, the coordinate of point P will be m into C plus n into A divided by m plus n, comma, m into D plus n into B divided by m plus n. So this is our section formula. So by using this one, we can easily find out the section, that is the point P. Okay, so by using the section formula, we can find out point P. That is, we can say that here, if there is a point P, so we can say that suppose this one is A, this one is B, This is P. I don't know the actual point. So this one is minus 1 comma minus 4. This one is 3 comma 4. And here AP is 3 and PB is 1. So AP is to PB will be 3 is to 1. So right now by using the section formula, we can easily find out the point P. Here we can write 3 multiplied by 3, 3 into 3 plus 1 into minus 1. So 1 into minus 1 divided by 3 plus 1. And here 3 into 4 plus 1 into minus 4 divided by 3 plus 1. So right now the point P will be 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 1, 8. 8 by 4, comma 3 4 is 12 minus 4 will be 8 by 4. Then we'll get the point P will be 2 comma 2. And this is the coordinates of point P. So we can say that this one is the point P. And we can easily find out that answer. So I hope you understand this one properly, this important math. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon on next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz, Fi Amanillah.